Hello guys, if you are trying to get the one hand catch animation in college football 27, the good news is that every player on the field can technically make one. It doesn't matter if it's wide receiver, tight end, running back, full back, or even a quarterback lined up out wide. The animation is available to everyone. The biggest difference comes down to consistency. Players with higher spectacular catch ratings are much more likely to pull off those flashy one-handed grabs on a regular basis. To set it up, you'll want to throw a high pass. On Xbox, hold LB, and on PlayStation, hold L1 while pressing the receiver's button. This puts extra height on the throw, forcing the ball to arrive above the receiver's normal catch point, which increases the chances of one-hand animation triggering. As soon as the ball is in the air, switch onto your receiver by pressing B on Xbox or circle on PlayStation. Once you are controlling the receiver, continue holding LB or L1 to attempt a one-hand catch. If you simply throw a standard pass, the ball will often hit the receiver right in stride, and there won't be any reason for the game to trigger a difficult one-handed grab. That's why high passes, or even low passes laid slightly away from the receiver, tend to work much better. Just keep in mind that these catches are risky, since the animation puts the ball farther away from the receiver's body. Even light contact from a defender can jar it loose. Having a solid catch in traffic rating can help, especially when you are trying this in coverage. And that's really all there is to it. Throw a high pass, take control of the receiver, hold the spectacular catch button, and give your player a chance to make a tough grab. With good timing and the right player, you'll start seeing those one-hand catch animations much more often. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.